Cole, we right here are on the other side of the Wears Valley fire. Right behind me, that's where Wears Valley is. I want to tell you, the Division of Forestry tells us this fire here is about 20% contained. The fire chief here in Seymour tells me that it's mostly out. I want to step aside and show you what the mountain looks like right now. The concern last night was that this fire would cross over to the other side of the mountain into Wears Valley and combine. But today the fire chief told me that's not really a concern for him anymore. Seymour Fire Chief John Linsenbigler took us for a ride along to see the damage.
There was just fire and smoke everywhere at 9 o'clock at night.
This is what it looked like then. Now most of the smoke is gone. The chief says it all started with this house fire. The house went up in flames and the fire spread that way. The house ended up scorched. Only the stone remains. This planter melted in the fire. Other parts of the house aren't recognizable. The wind blew the fire away from this birdhouse. Everything on the other side of it stayed untouched. Volunteer firefighters responded, trying to stop the other houses in the area from burning down.
Do what Gandalf does, you shall not pass.
In this rural area, it's hard to get fire trucks to all of the houses. Hotshot crew from North Carolina brought their brush trucks.
They are what you would consider the elite of our firefighting group.
With support from the Hotshots, other local departments, the state, and air crews dropping water on hotspots still on the mountain. The fire chief says he's comfortable with how much of the fire they've put out. Now, that fire chief stresses to me that this fire was mostly fought by volunteer firefighters. So he says that if you have a volunteer firefighter group or if you have a volunteer firehouse in your area, please donate to them because they don't get that much money to do what they have to, John.